Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with another layout video for Scraptember. Today's prompt is diagonal, and Pip, get down. I was a little confused when I first saw this one, but then I remember diagonal is like this. So I thought, why not, let's just pull out some zip strips and do a design. So that's what I've done. I have to have my pictures covered because they are of my grandbaby Vivian. And I have some swap stuff. This is from a swap. I don't know who made it. This is from a swap. It says baby. I don't know who made it. And let's see. These are Dollar Tree stickers. This is one of the clusters I made for the album in 31 days. And this is a little hedgehog that I made quite some time ago. So, I have a bunch of random zip strips. I pulled a piece of paper from that Sun Chaser collection I recently got. I have been loving it. I'm using it for everything. So, my idea is I pulled pinks and I pulled kind of blues kind of to go with the paper. And this has clouds on it, so I thought it kind of went with sleeping, but I'm going to use it like this versus how it's actually supposed to go. So, I'm just going to start gluing these strips down. Let's see here. On this one, I'm just going to use probably the end so that I can use like the pink parts and kind of not use the other parts. So, just going to glue these in. Let's see, let's put this one on this side since it has a hole in the center of it. And these are all random. Some of them zip strips. Some of them was just strips where I had cut from different layouts. This one I know was a printable from Scrap-A-Sketch from a layout I had left over. So, all the fun things. Oops. Okay. Let's do that again. I needed it to go up a little bit further so it'll be off the edge. Okay, there's that one. This is a good way to use up your scraps if you have them. All those zip strips. It's just fun. You can pull all the same color out. You can pull a bunch and do a whole page if you find something good that goes together. Let's see if this one's long enough. Not quite. It's the same length. Okay. I know this one will be. Let's see here. Cut one down here. I'm just going to keep going all the way to the corner. I'm not going to do the whole page though. Let's see. I'm going to cut this off so I can use it down here. Okay. I think I like that. I don't think I'm going to use that one. And that one's not long enough. So we're just going to go with that. Okay. And I'm going to trim it. it gives you more strips. They're never ending. For real, for real. Okay, and then this one's same thing. This is just has the blues and grays. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm probably going to fast forward this because y'all pretty much know what I'm doing. Okay, so I think that's how I'm going to have my photos. I got everything glued down. And then I am planning on just creating a little cluster. So I think I'm actually going to have to change some stuff around. Like I said, I didn't come into this with a plan. Okay, this picture's got to go like this, and this one goes like this. So I kind of just wanted to create a little cluster with all of this, and I thought it was just cute to make it. This wasn't intended to be a log, but it kind of looks like the hedgehog is sitting on a log, so I just thought it was cute. And the rainbow kind of ties in with the outdoor theme. So I don't want to cover that up. Let's see what else I can negotiate here. Okay, we can do that for sure. And just move the butterfly over. That's why I like using foam tape, because you can always pull it off. And I think I'm going to put the baby here. And then a butterfly and a butterfly. I think that's so cute. Okay, maybe a butterfly down here. Okay. And then I may take just this like little tab here or something and put her name and date on here of when this was. But I think that's going to be the layout, y'all. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will post close-ups at the end of it all glued together. But this is pretty much how it's going to be. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, come over and join my Facebook group. All the links for that will be below. And come and hang out and chat and share what you created. So until next time, bye y'all.